So this turkey has something going on with her eyes. So I'm going to put this silver spray in them. Let's see, come here, girl. Yesterday when I did it, her eyes were completely closed, and today, not quite as much. This one is still closed, but it was opened yesterday. Let's get some in your nostrils too. That's about as good as we're gonna get. Yeah, this is what I use to treat any infections in the eyes or nose. That baby wants to stay right under Mama out here. A few weeks ago we had a hawk come and get it. I actually thought it did, but then the next morning he showed up, so he must have been hiding somewhere. Mama says, leave me alone. This rooster here is Chief No Toes, aren't y'all? So last year he decided he was gonna roost on a metal bar when it was about 35 below, and he lost all of his toes. What are you two boys doing? He's still pretty small. This is one of my old chicken nesting boxes. Y'all almost don't fit in there all snuggled up. Mama's out grazing around. She's left them in here for their nap. Hi, Pixie. How's your babies doing, huh? So this is Boris. This is the little guy that was born with turned in paw or hooves. That they're all straightened out now. He's 2 weeks old. And it did take about 11 days for them to totally straighten out. But it hasn't slowed him down one bit. And his name is Boris, after his grandmother, Doris. And that little one over there is Tiny. And he hit the floor running and has been going ever since. Are you going to come out and show your face, Tiny? There he is. I just locked them up for the night, so they're not quite happy about being in. Came in last night. We had a horrible storm, so we brought the babies in. And instead of putting them in the greenhouse today because it's unbelievably hot, we're going to put them out here. So I'm not quite certain what to think about it out here because it's their first time being in this large of an area. Oh, hey girl. So it's been 2 days now and our eyes are both open. I'm doing much better. I'll continue to treat her for another day. Maybe 2. But looks like she's on the mend again. And you're hot, huh? You should get out of the sun, girl.